Lovelies, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Mabel in Hamburg. If this is your first time coming across my video, you're welcome. For my old returnees, thank you for being subscribed and thank you for staying subscribed. So lovelies, in this video it's what I got for Christmas. So I have these beautiful items I got for Christmas, and one of them I already unboxed it on Instagram. Yes, so without any further ado, let's just get into the video. So the first one is this beautiful vase or vase from Anissa Kemeshi. I think I pronounced it well, but I would be writing the name out, and also all the link will be in the description button, so you guys can have a good look at this beautiful artwork, I will call it, this beautiful structure. So just look at how beautiful this vase is. Oh my goodness, like, you know, women, we love ourselves. So, and if you know me, you know how much I love myself. And yes, so this is how it looks. I'm so happy. I got this from Matches Faction and they were on sale, so I didn't really waste any time, so I just clicked on it because this has been on my wish list and for a very long time. So I'm really happy I finally have her now. And yes, so this is how the vase looks, and this is the back. This is the back, and really beautiful. I so much love it.
We forgot what you came for, and in the coffee shop just next door we talk for hours on end. So
to the next is this beautiful orange box, and you guys know, like, I'm so in love with orange boxes at the moment. And yes, so let's move to the next. Whoa, here she is. This is the next one, and yes, so let's unbox it together. This is the next one. Oh my goodness, orange box was in there. I think when you just see the size of the box, you guys know already, and you guys know this piece, like, I'm so in love with them. And yes, so you can see the 2 dust bag, and you know what the 2 dust bag stands for, and you guys know what that is already. And yes, so let me bring it out. Voila, voila. It's an orange sandals. Oh my goodness, it's this beautiful orange sandals. So this color, you can see it closer. So this color is called Rose Pallier. So I'm gonna be writing it out, so I don't know if I pronounce it well. And yes, so I really love it. So it has this rose color, not pink but rose, and so beautiful, so beautiful. Like the sizing, like I'm normal size 39, and but in my orange sandals and my Oasis sandals, I'm always taking a number bigger. So I'm always going for a number bigger, so I always take size 40 because I just want my feet to be free in it. And you guys know I really don't like what I wear and don't feel comfortable in, so that's why size 40 fits me better. So that's why I always go for this size 40. So this is so happy, really beautiful, really beautiful. This is it, really beautiful. I'm happy. So to the next, you guys really want to see what's in here. Dun, dun, dun. Dun, dun, dun. Ooh. So some of you might know already what this is. And yes, so without talking too much, let me just show you guys. It's a pillow, like a dream pillow for me. I've been wanting this color for think it's called camellia, and I've been wanting this since summertime when I saw it in store, but it was reserved for a client. And yes, so my essay ordered this for me, and a spontaneous visit to Hermes while my essay was like, oh, I have something for you. And I was like, yeah, but you didn't call me, I'm just spontaneous, I just wanted to look around. And she's like, oh, that's very good. So I was kind of like, oh, what did she has for me, because my list there is oh my god, like. So and then she came with this, and I was really happy. Like, I so much love this color, and you guys know I love neutrals. And yes, so I saw some of the videos on YouTube about this pillow, how scratchy it is, and yeah, but I don't really feel it. So ever since 1 week, since 1 week I have it, so I'm kind of like trying to feel how it feels on my skin, but I cannot really tell you right now whether it's scratchy or not, because I'm really happy with it and it does not scratch my skin. So I think maybe 6 months later or a year later I will be telling you guys. But this pillow, I will not be using it to sleep or whatever, so it's just kind of a deco pillow. So I will be getting the right share for it. And yes, so I'm still kind of looking for which share to pick that will really match to this pillow and that I will really love. And because I don't really like to change my interiors or every year, no, like I just want to have something good, something strong that I really like and that's going to last for me, if not a lifetime, that's going to last very well for me. So that is why I'm still deciding on the shade to take for this. And yes, so it's going to be a deco pillow, kissing. The German will say kissing, so pillow in English, so it's gonna be a deco pillow. We go, 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 we go. So is this here? So if you're a fan of Hermes, like you know already was in this box, this tyrion clement. So meaning this color is tyrion and the leather is clement leather. So Hermes Paris, made in France. So much love this color and leather very well on the inside.
Was closing down for business in my little prison shop when the bell on the door jingled once more.
So if you just kind of decorate out with a twilly, so really beautiful, but I don't need anything, no, I just love it simple and yeah, elegant like this. And oh my goodness, this color is just wow, beautiful. Thank you all for watching and hope you guys are having fun this holiday season. Hope you guys are celebrating Christmas very well. And yes, so one thing I will also tell you guys, because I know this Christmas season not everyone is really feeling good, and yes, so I will say no matter what you're going through, no matter what situation you are right now, like you need to think forward, you know. You need to think there is life after the situation you're facing, and God is never gonna give you a situation that you can come out of. So, and I'm saying this because I know okay, my situation right now, I'm happy sharing this with you guys. Having this, I'm not proud, but I'm just happy and grateful to God. But some of you that will think that oh my God, whether my life is better than yours because I have these are really nothing, these are material things. So your heart matters. What you give to people, how you care for people, that is what really matters. And whatever you're going through, know that there is life after, and the smile is gonna come on your face later. And yeah, so hard work pays. And if you're working this Christmas season, and I just kind of want to tell you I'm with you. And yeah, so you're building an empire, so it does not mean you're working Christmas, you're working New Year, does not really mean that you're suffering. No, you're building your own empire, you're building who you want to be tomorrow. And yes, so have a nice celebration. Smile, whatever situation you're going through, smile. And yes, so God bless you. Have a nice celebration, and see you all on my next video. And yeah, maybe my next videos are not going to be try on hauls, because I will be going on a visit to visit my auntie. And yes, so we will be there for a couple of days. And coming back, I would also want to relax and spend quality times with the kids as well. And yes, so see you all on my next, and I will be trying some videos as well, just with the kids, like what we are doing, what I'm up to, or even my morning routine, which I haven't done for a long time. I think some of you really love that video, my early morning routine, me alone or with the kids, and what we do for a day or what we eat for a day. And yes, so I will be sharing everything with you guys. These are the videos you guys will be expecting from now till when the Christmas celebration is over. And yes, so when the Christmas, so till when the Christmas and New Year celebration is over, so we come back to our normal try on us. And yes, so thank you all for watching. Love you all to the moon and back. Bye.
But somehow